Hi, friends. Guess what? It is cruise day, and I mean cruise day. Your girl's getting ready right now, so get ready to leave out shortly to get to make our way to Tampa to go to the port, and we are going to have a wonderful time. I cannot believe it. Taking cruise with my family. This is the first for me. Normally, it's just me and my husband going on our cruises, but this time we're gonna ball out. I'm gonna bring you with me. I'm going to show you the ship. We're going to be on Royal Caribbean Radiance of the Sea. And I'm going to do a full room tour once we get on board. And I'm going to, like I said, take you from deck to deck that I can. And there's a hubby in the background just walking by. And yes, like I said, we are going to have a great time. It's cruise day, guys. It is cruise day, finally. So, this is what we're going to do. Get on here, try and get a room tour real quick for you. And after going through security and everything, we just finished up. It was a breeze, but I'm gonna tell you this. Do not, I repeat, do not try to sneak on any type of alcohol. Don't try to sneak on any type of alcohol or bring on any type of irons, because as you're coming through security, they are taking them. Somebody had a big thing of Tito's vodka taken from them. So you're at the elevators. Let's see. I'll turn you around here. There's hubby. There's cousin Yvette. There's cousin Bill. And this is what the elevator. We're here. The elevator. Look back over this way. Is the Cascades. Hello. And walk over here. This looks like one of the dining rooms, but I will get you more a little later.
Currently, however, we're still showing that some of our guests have yet to complete their safety.
Yes, and that's another thing. When you're taking a cruise, make sure that you do complete your safety drill. All right, we're on deck 8, and we are staying in cabin 8116. Let's see what the room looks like as we enter in. See, as you walk in, there's a hubby right there. You have a nice little vanity here, table. We have some, looking down, we have some storage here, some more storage, a nice mirror. I believe it opens. Ah, see, gives you some more storage. You have some 2 European outlets, 2 American outlets, and it looks like they had connections for internet here at one point, and that is all taken out. Here you have a little flyer here to tell you what's going on, and if you want to have anything, any clothing washed or ironed, you have that to get us some wrinkles. And we have another thing that tells you welcome aboard, to tell you what's all about, what's going on right now. Coming around, you do have a television that pans. And then you have the bed here with the phone. 2 lights on the side here. And you have nightstands on each side. And you have here, as you can see here, is like for your reading. And so if you're going to, someone who likes to read at night, so while the other person's sleeping, you don't disturb them. And panning it back around. And above the bed, you do have a mirror, as you can see here, panning around. We just got in the room, guys. That's why you see our luggage sitting out. Here is a little sofa-ish where it can pull out into a bed. And then above here, if we had another person in the room, that could pull, this here is a bed above us that could be pulled down for someone else that's going to be staying in the room. I'm going to show you the view in a moment. So coming back, you have a full-length mirror here. And then you have one closet with all your safety gear here, as far as your life vests Then you have this here. These racks here is if you have clothes that can't, that's too, you don't want to put up here. If you have a lot, you can hang down here. There's a ladder here. The ladder is for basically the bunk bed that's right there. I showed you at the top there. So we got the closet here. Then you have your little light switches. Then you have another part of the closet here. All the way down. We're looking. So you have a nice amount of storage if you're an overpacker like me to put stuff away. And then here, and then okay, you have some hooks. So if you want to hang up a jacket, hats, whatever the case may be, you have one here and you have another one right here. It looks like somebody left this one, had that and left it. Okay, and then here is the bathroom. This is an older ship, guys, so it doesn't have the glass door like you would find on some of the other, like the newer ships. So you have your standard shower, body wash, you can even use it for your hair, shampoo and everything. Royals, salt breeze, plenty of towels, washcloths. And then I do believe behind here, bam, we have even storage here in the bathroom. So older ship, like I said, I think it went under. You have place down here for more storage, and then you have your trash can. And if you for our gentlemen, say who may need a shave, you have a little outlet up here. Hi. All right. This is the bathroom. It'll work. And there's hubby laying on the bed. He's tired. It's been a long day. Also, here in the room, you do have, it's a real refrigerator. It doesn't get anything real cold, but it'll do the trick. It'll keep your whatever you have cool. Here's your TV. More storage. And I do believe here in one of these drawers. Okay, evidently this room wasn't cleaned properly because we got a dirty pair of socks. Right. So let's see what else we have in this room. All right, for my ladies, even gentlemen, need to blow dry your hair. There's a blow dryer right here for you. So this is a good place if you need to store your documents. This little drawer desk here. Then here in this folder, if you want for room service, you have that. If you want to see the menu for room service, it's here as well. Okay, and then we'll see if we'll get a paper cruise compass. If not, we'll be working with the app. And on this side here where this mirror is, coming straight up at you. Here I am again, guys. This is more storage. And another mirror. And then you have more storage here with your safe. And if we come out this way, and then you got a little artwork here on the wall, which is nice. And just so you know, when you're cruising on these older ships, the walls are, well, these walls don't feel like they're metal, but I know more of the newer ships, the walls are metal. Here, it's gonna go out. Is it already open, David? Okay. When you come out onto the balcony, you have a basically a chair there, chair here, Nice size big table, especially if you're gonna have to do room service and you want to sit outside. Okay. And this is the view right now at the Port of Tampa. See
I
that?
want to see what he's gonna do with this. What's the name coming at us?
We are being escorted out by the U.S. Coast Guard. They're not letting no type of vessels come close to us.